Hello guys, so what happened to my hair? It was a long story, but basically today I wanted to do a Jennie how you like that look for you guys. I was very inspired by that outfit where she had that red turtleneck velvet dress. It was exquisite. Originally I bought some clip-in like fringe extensions. However, stupid me did not think that synthetic hair cannot be bleached. In a fit of impulsiveness and frustration, this happened. And it wasn't just after one round of bleaching. My black ass hair needed to be bleached 3 times. What have I done? What have I? Wash it and then put some more bleach. Hello everybody, so this is after round 2 of bleaching. You can see I really got my hair time bleaching. I am just going to touch up here, this portion. So, this is dead hair right now. This is a sacrifice. If I don't get a thumbs up, my hair is gonna scream. Okay, I'm just joking guys. So yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel because I put out lots of free K-pop dance tutorials and occasionally I do fun K-pop makeup looks as well. Yeah, if you want to follow me on social media, it is at Charissahoo on Instagram and Twitter and TikTok. Without further ado, let's get into it. First, we gotta start out with my favorite foundation at the moment. It is the BT Cosmetics Cica. Now putting concealer, Tarte Shape Tape. This one has such a good consistency. Brows, we are doing a very light, simple brow using uemura Brow Sword and also Benefit Cosmetics Foolproof Brow Powder. I'm just putting a brow gel. This is slightly brown so that I can kind of blend the brows with my now blonde fringe. If you are blonde, you can't have 2 dark eyebrows, right? So yeah, explanation is done. Now I need to do some contour to kind of mimic Jennie. Also, I'm doing some very light contouring here. Basically, I just took a bit of eyeshadow, brown eyeshadow, muted brown eyeshadow, and I put it in this socket here. I'm trying to deepen this area so that my nose bridge looks really nice and long. So I'm just gonna, this is just my practice, I'm just gonna put some here so it makes my nose look like... This was difficult for me to do. Now on to the cheek contouring. Tone here. Don't need to worry too much about contouring because honestly, Jennie's face is like, they preserve a lot of her natural features, like which is very youthful, innocent, and it's not like sharp and chiseled, so don't need to worry too much. I'm just doing some general contouring. Okay, so now I'm trying to do the eyes. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. Juicy from my Naked Urban Decay Cherry palette. Oops, brush dropped out. Holy mama. I'm gonna put this around my whole eyelid. We're gonna use this color from the Yes Please, the Colourpop Hot palette. We're gonna use Spoiled, intensify the outer corners just a little bit so that we can make this mauvey brownie red kind of pop. Ooh. 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 Now we're gonna blend everything out with Note to Self. Ooh, dummy went to put on normal eyeliner. I forgot today I was trying the magnetic eyelash set. So I wanted to try this for a long time and I finally got it on Ezbuy. So let's just see how this works. I want to show it to you guys as well. There's like 3 pairs, like tiny little magnets on the eyelash. Magnetic eyeliner. This is metal I'm putting on my eye. It is very dark. It's very nice. So I'm just trying to put a thick layer because magnetic eyeliner on, and I put on a lot. Wow, it took so long to correct my mistake, but finally this eyeliner is dry. gag! The gag of it all! Oh my god, okay, these are super long, but wow. Just like that! That was easy! Wow! The sensation of this on your eyelid, it's kind of the same feeling as if you were to put glue. So it's still the same in that aspect. It's just that you have less gunk from eyelash glue. Now for everybody's favorite part, we are going to put on the face jewels. So there is like a kind of curve shape here, and then she has 3 branches of pearls reaching out into 4 strings of red beads. But I don't have any red beads. I'm gonna use mobile decals. I need to put like the glue in a crescent. Okay, I'm going to settle my hair and I'm going to... Jennie has like a rounder lip, so I'm just trying to diminish my short cupid's bow to make my lips look rounder. Then also here, I'm going to overline a bit. Well, let's show you the finished look. This is the completed look. I am very pleased with myself. I managed to freaking DIY this whole thing, and it caused a lot of pain and suffering to my own real hair. This is my real hair, by the way. I actually killed it myself. Patchy, crafty, patch it on your face, but man, I managed to make this thing work, and a lot of things went wrong, like my freaking body chain just collapsed. Well, I'm glad that this all worked out. Put a lot of effort into it. Please give me a thumbs up, okay? And subscribe because I do lots of free K-pop dance tutorials on my channel, and occasionally I do fun things like this, K-pop idol makeup looks. Yes. Tell me in the comments below, did you think this worked? And on a scale of 1 to 10, how Jennie am I? Yeah, and if you want to follow me on social media, it is at Charissahoo on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Hope you guys have fun watching me fumble through this process, and I brought some joy into your lives. Please remember to stay healthy, stay vigilant, stay socially distant, and responsible. Wear a mask when you go out, please, okay? And without further ado, hope you guys are having a great day, and I love you all. Hoo-bays!